Gregg, and it's Sue, the makeup girl. Now, Sue has been a supporter of Helen G events from day one, especially our bridal fantasy show. She has always showed up and been there for us, and we're happy to have her on the couch. Welcome, Sue. How are you?
Thank you. I'm doing great.
Good. So, and let me first mention my makeup today was also done by Sue. Thanks, Sue.
You're welcome.
Good. So, Sue, tell me, how did this all started?
Wow, it's funny. I think I was always exposed to makeup. I remember being in high school, we had dance shows. It was like whoever could do makeup. Hey friend, can you do my makeup? Can you do my makeup? And I always ended up doing the person's makeup. I remember, I remember my fifth form picture. I think that was a turning point because my mom told me I had to pick. I had a makeup artist for either the ball or the photo.
Are you serious?
And I picked the makeup artist for the ball and not for the photo. And I remember she went to the Avon lady, and the Avon lady told me I can apply bronzer all over.
Are you serious?
So my fifth part pictures are completely red. My face is completely red. Needless to say, I actually started professionally doing makeup in upper six before I left high school.
That's good.
Before I left high school, so I think that incident triggered it. My face was so red, it wasn't in the yearbook.
Are you serious? They couldn't use the pictures. Okay, so not to meaning to tell people your age, but how long ago was upper six?
That was
So we're thinking.
I've been doing makeup 6 years now.
6 years.
6 years.
That's good.
Yeah.
And I knew
6
you when
years.
you used to tell, oh, I just started doing it.
Yes.
That's
6
fantastic.
years.
That's fantastic.
I lucked out being that while I was going to uni, I managed to build my business to a point where I could not have a filler job in between. It's like as soon as I was through school, I was able to do makeup full time, and I was super happy for that.
So tell me, whose faces have you done that we know about?
Okay, let's see. I think most notably, it would be Rebecca Fox. I've worked with her quite a few times.
How was that?
It was great.
Experience
It was a
was
great
good?
experience. I remember persons, because the first time I worked with her, I was so young. Persons are like, oh, you have to do this, you have to do that, make sure this, make sure that. But she was fantastic, very easy to work with. I've done a few of the reality stars that are popular now on television. I worked with Sean Paul, did a shoot with him recently. Aishana, I worked with Shamsia, lots of the local celebrities. Who else? Quite a few.
Look here, your resume says it all, and I think I see all the pictures on Instagram because we also use it for brides, and the work is fantastic. What I want to find out though is, how do you stay? You're very young. How do you stay motivated? How do you keep on pushing and not just resting back and just relaxing?
I feel like because I started so young, I feel like with my business, I went through the phase when it was very cool for Sue the makeup girl to do your makeup. I remember that phase when it was like everyone was calling, hey Sue, can you do my makeup? And I said to myself, I believe that was 2017, 2016, I said, Sue, I want to see if I have a sustainable business beyond just person's attention now, because there's going to be new makeup artists who come up on Instagram, because I was popular on social media first with YouTube and Facebook, and I'm like, so this is not going to last forever. So I had to really prepare myself, like, okay, this is what I want to do. Discover my niche, which was weddings, and I'm going to just keep pushing to be the best I can be there, keep evolving, keep up with the new equipment, keeping the photos nice. I'm like an amateur photographer at this point, just to keep everything fresh and going.
And you know what I noticed too, the quality of the work. Sometimes no matter what business that you're in, the quality of the work always speaks for itself. So you'll always have a sustainable business once you maintain the quality, and that you have kept that going on year after year after year. So I have another question for you. Seriously important question. You've been in the wedding industry for a while. If you could change one thing about the industry, what would you change?
Okay.
And I ask everybody this. So
it's like, I don't think, it sounds a bit harsh to say you want barriers to entry in a field, but wedding days,
folding my arms, but go ahead.
Wedding days can go terribly wrong when you're not working with wedding professionals or persons who understand the environment, who understand how a process works, who works well with other people. Things can go very badly. And it can be as simple as hair, makeup. It can be as extensive as a caterer, it can be decor. I mean,
So you want professionals, trained persons in the industry.
Persons who have some experience or before they start working in the industry have gotten some kind of experience somewhere. I mean, you know, being something as important as time on a wedding day. I know if I'm late, that's when I delay the photographer. Then the sun comes down. Then the bride doesn't get pictured. And technically that starts with me, for instance. So as something as simple as 15 minutes matters. You know, it's not like, oh, I'm just 15 minutes late. You know, this industry is very rough. You don't get sick days. If you have a bride that booked you a year ago, you don't call and say, hey, I'm sneezing today, so
you can't make it. That would be disaster.
No, it looks glamorous, but it is
a lot of work.
It's a lot of work and a lot of dedication. So I think not so much a barrier for persons entering, but really persons who just, you know, do the research, get the education, and do the industry justice. You know what I mean? And be a wedding professional. Like, know what it takes to survive in this industry, and don't bring us all down. You know? Don't bring us down. I don't want persons to say, weddings, you know, the Jamaican vendors are so this.
Or we don't get back in touch with people, or we're not professional, we're always late. I totally understand what you're saying.
I did a wedding once with a Nigerian couple, and I remember the bride saying to me, I got there at 9 and I was doing probably 5 persons, thought the wedding was at 2 p.m. She said she told me to come that early because she heard Jamaican persons were so late. So I was like, oh my God, what's going on? So she's like, would you mind just waiting before we do makeup? I really didn't expect you to be here. Couldn't believe it.
So there again, professionalism important, training important, so that the industry can survive and thrive. Exactly. My last question for you, and this is a personal question. All expense paid, trip, no barriers hold. Where would you go? What would you do?
What would I do? Am I getting married or just vacation?
Anything. Just tell me anything that you'd want to do. People want to know. They want to know who Sue is. Tell me.
Oh my God. You know what's funny? I'd probably do like a South American tour. I think for me with traveling, I don't want to go overseas to go to an all-inclusive resort. Jamaica has the best one.
Okay.
Like, when you do the research and you look around, it's okay, damn right. Jamaica we have the all-inclusive. So when I travel, I want culture, I want history, I want, you know, something interesting. So that would be, I'd do a whole South American tour, probably, you know, Amazon.
Sounds interesting.
Something like that.
Maybe I need to come with you.
Something like that.
So look into the camera, Sue, and tell persons how they can contact you and why they should book you.
Hi everybody, you can find me at Sue the Makeup Girl on Instagram and on Facebook. My email address is also suethemakeupgirl@hotmail.com. And you should book me because I can guarantee you a pleasant experience and a professional experience as well as a job well done.
So there you have it, guys. That was Sue, the makeup girl, on Wedding Vendor Spotlight. Join us again next week when we feature another Jamaican wedding vendor. Thank you for joining us, and goodbye.